We'll guide you through how to download and install Steam on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you don't already know what Steam is, essentially Steam is a game marketplace and a game launcher. So what we can do is go and get Steam on a Mac, and that'll then go and allow us to install and play loads of different games that are on the Steam marketplace and the Steam launcher. So within Steam, we'll be able to go and manage them and go and get them. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how exactly you can go and do it. So make sure it's a full guide and don't skip anything, as some important steps you need to go and take. So what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. By default, we can go and use Safari because that comes with a Mac, but you may have another like Chrome or Firefox. So in this case, I'm going to go and open up Safari like so. Now what we can do here is we can go and search for Steam like this. As you can see, we want to come to the site at the top here. It says, welcome to Steam, and it's store.steampowered.com. So come here. Now, before we get any further, you can start browsing through the store. But what you need to do is go and head to the top right and go and find the sign in button. Don't worry about installing it, as we're going to need to go and get an account. Press sign in. Don't worry. What you can also do here is you can go and create an account. Scroll down, it'll go and say new to Steam and create an account. So what we can do is go and click here. And now we can start the process of creating an account. So enter in your email, enter your country of residence, and complete the CAPTCHA. Now you need to read and agree to this. I already have, and make sure you agree to these other things here as well. Then you can press continue. Go to your email inbox and click on the button, and then we can go and continue the process. So choose your Steam account name, choose a password and confirm it, and press done. And now you've created the account. Now go to the top right of Steam and you want to press install Steam. It should detect you're on a Mac. You get the Apple icon. You can then close out of your web browser and open up your Finder, press downloads on the left, and go and find steam.dmg. Double click on it and drag Steam into applications by clicking, holding, and dragging like so. Then you can go and release. Press search in the top right and go and type in Steam like so and press enter. Now it's going to begin opening. Go and press open here. It'll go and update. Be patient while this completes. It shouldn't take too long. The login will go and open up. Now enter in the Steam account name you just chose and go and enter in your password as well. Then go and get a code which you need to go and enter from your email. When you do that, Steam should then go and begin launching, as you can see. So you go and get this pop-up here. I'm going to go and close out of this for now. And then what you can do is go and start browsing the store for different games. Not all are available for Mac, but you can see this one is. It's got the Apple icon. And then what you can do is go and click on it. You can then see it again here. And you could go and press add to library like so. Press OK. Then press library at the top and you'll see it here. And you can click on it and then press install. And then it will go and download and you can go and start playing it. Leave a like if you found this useful.